Good morning. I would like to introduce a very interesting method to all my students. This method is known as 5E method, and this method is for effective learning purpose. Well, see, I just want to give you a final, a very beautiful quote written by William Thurston. He was a mathematician. The quote is nothing but, mathematics is an art of human understanding. I'll repeat the statement once again. Mathematics is an art of human understanding, because it is a beautiful subject on this planet Earth, where people would be able to understand its various nuances. But that is possible only if we start loving the subject, right? So just listen to the few words which I have written for you students. We, the creations of God, are born prudent, and we always aspire high. Am I right? A very few reach their dream field. People with innate talent learn through their daily experience. Each day they learn something new. Children learn enormously from convivial atmosphere at school, which becomes, an enjoyable real-life experience for all of you. Undoubtedly, nowadays, because of this pandemic, we are all struggling to get back to our dimensions, old dimensions, filled with peace and happiness. So, why did I tell you this point? Means because you people all know, including the teachers, that we all are confined to the four walls of our house. Always remember, it is not for showing envy or not for showing angry towards anybody. The entire world is facing this crisis. It is really an unprecedented crisis we all are facing. At the same time, this pandemic is not going to end soon. So what all measures we can take to get along with our academics, we have to take that measure. Today, what I am going to show you, or I am going to present, is nothing but a very beautiful method to understand how can we really construct formulae for the curved surface area of a cylinder, for the total surface area of a cylinder, and eventually for the volume of a cylinder. So I will show you all these things through a slide. So why I am giving more importance for this experiential learning is that nowadays, the Central Board of Secondary Education is giving more emphasis for experiential learning. Experiential learning is nothing but you children are learning something, through experience, through hands-on experience. So once you learn concepts through these type of, developmental exercises, I am sure that formulae will remain in your memory for a longer time. That is the main intention behind, creating, a different type of methodology to make, to help you children to evolve out something from your own side. And we are giving a chance to explore on your own. Okay. So CBSE is giving more importance for this experiential type of learning. And now, see, as teachers, we have to come out with different strategy, different methodology. We will be integrating new concepts, and we are going to give more emphasis only for concepts and not for contents, so that we can, prevent the rote memorization to a certain extent. Okay, now I'm going to show you the slides. I hope all of you will enjoy, and I really expect your constructive feedback so that we can also make relevant changes, wherever it needs to be incorporated. Okay, just see to that slide.